Hi everybody, and welcome back to part 2 of making woodland bird feeders. So for quickness, I've already started a bit of this one too. To make the wreath, it's exactly like what we've just done, only I'm finding it a bit easier, to be honest. I just cut a big piece of wire, garden wire. The wire I was using is quite thin, so what I've done is I doubled it up and then I twisted it together to make it a wee bit stronger, and I'm just going to thread everything onto the wire, which seems to be much easier than when we've done it with the string. So I've already bored holes into the apples with one end off the wire, push through, oh, there we go. This is actually quite fun. Oh, it takes a wee bit of time, a wee bit of coiling in. This one maybe needs a bit of a bigger hole. Just lean against something, I'll try and make a bigger hole with this one. Oh, there's the hole. Yeah, right. There we go. So there's an apple chain. Then in between each apple, I'm going to make a fat ball. Place a fat ball. I've already made loads of fat balls here with the remaining lard. And I think it works well if you make two and just squash them together. They seem to bind well that way. There's one in place. Got two more here. I won't do that as much with the ones that are smaller. Yeah, just clasp them together. And if you get wee baldy bits, just pat some more seed onto them. This is exactly why you need a cover on your floor. Right, last bit here I think. I've not added branches this time, but you can add anything you want. Just with my hands a wee wipe after touching that lard. Oh, there's a bit that fell off. Stick that back on. So bring your wire together. And give it a wee sort of granny knot, and then twist your ends. And you probably want to make a loop with the wire so you can hook it onto something. Keep twisting. There's another bit of my lard balls away, but I'll fix that in a minute. You would obviously have much more time than me to make it really lovely. You can cut off the excess wire if you want, but I'll just tuck it on just now. Oh. I don't think I'll be getting a job on Beach Grove soon with this. Right, there we go. I'll just fix that last wee fat ball again. We probably can add a wee bit of foliage somewhere. I'll leave you to decide how to do that yourself. I hope you can see that okay. So now that's ready just for hanging in your garden as well. Your birds will have a great time, and so will you being able to watch them. Please, if you do make the garland or the wreath, send me a picture. I hope they look better than mine. And perhaps you'll even get some pictures of the birds feeding from them. I'd love to see those pictures too. So please send me or tag me in as Rhiannon's Enchantment on the socials. Text me, email me them, however you can get me. Love to see them. So thanks very much for tuning in. Speak to you soon. Bye.